Kaya ibig sabihin, mas malaki ang
Ay,
obo.
mag-record yun, mag-record yun.
Now, yung mga malalaki nung nagalaki yan.
Nandun niya mamakbo, tingin niya pa
Yung
naman.
mga kanya, dapat mapakain sila. Nagalaki sila. Okay. Now, pagkatapos ng ovulation, ang ovules can survive for about 3 to 4 days. So, pwedeng mabuhay yan mga 3 to 4 days. But it is capable of being fertilized. So, yung viability niya for fertilization, usually that is on the first 24 hours. Although there are rare cases that the fertilization may occur until 48 hours. Pero sabi nga natin, very rare na yung mga ganito, but it is possible. Because according to the studies, they have found out that most cases of fertilization occur during the first 12 to 15 hours after ovulation. Karamihan ng mga fertilization, nangyayari yan on the first 12 to 15 hours after ovulation. So those are the other things that you need to consider. Now let's say for example, if you have here the time of ovulation in the woman. So dito siya nag-ovulate sa araw na ito. Now let's say that the woman had coitus mga 2 days before ovulation. Siyempre, after coitus, sabi natin nagkaroon ng sperm deposition in the vagina. And then from the vagina, after na yan sa fallopian tube. Now, pagdating ng sperm sa fallopian tube, meron na bang bubong doon? Wala pa. Kasi 2 days before ovulation ka pa lang, no? Ano ngayon ang gagawin ng sperm? The sperm will just stay in the fallopian tube. Para bang sasabihin niya, I'll wait for you. Hihintay din siya. No? Pagkatapos ng 2 araw, nag-ovulate ka ngayon. Ngayon, napunta sa fallopian tube ang iyong ubo. Pwede pa rin bang magkaroon ng fertilization? Pwede pa. Kasi sabi natin, you can have fertilization still within 3 to 4 days. No? So, fertilization can still be possible. Eh, halimbawa, every ovulation mo,